Hello everyone, welcome to Catia tutorial. I am Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create pads in Catia V5 software. First open Catia V5 software and activate pod design, start mechanical design, pod design. Now the pod design is activated. You can in left side it shows specification tree. In pod body you can click right mouse button and choose define in work object. Now you can select one plane. I am choosing XY plane. Click sketch tool. Now draw the 2D sketch by using drafting tools. Now I am choosing centered rectangle. Now apply the constraints. This is the I am taking 100 mm. Okay. This one is also 100 mm. Okay. Now I am choosing circles, creating 4 circles on these 4 edges. First circle, second circle, third circle, and fourth circle. Now give the constraints, apply the constraints for these 4 circles. First one, taking dimension 30 mm diameter. This one also 30 mm. 30 mm. Now choose this center point and this edge. Circle center point and select this edge. Click geometry constraint and choose midpoint. Click OK. Similarly, select second circle center point and edge. Click on constraint defined in dialog box. Choose midpoint. Give the constraint for this circle. This is also 30 mm. Click OK. Choose this circle center point and edge. Select midpoint. Click OK. This circle center point and edge. Choose midpoint. Click OK. Now choose quick trim tool and remove these unwanted elements. For repeating this tool, just you can double click on this quick trim tool and remove the unwanted elements. This circle and this edge. Now exit from this workbench. Now after completion of 2D sketch, the sketch based features are activated. You can see the sketch based features in the toolbar. Another option is insert menu, sketch based features, the pad tool, pocket, drafted fillet pad. These are the options are activated after completion of the 2D sketch. Now I am choosing pad tool. Here pad means creating a pad means extruding a profile or a surface in one or two directions. The application lets you choose the limits of creation as well as the direction of extrusion. Now select the sketch. Just you can choose pad tool. The pad definition dialog box appears and the application previews the pad to be created. Default value is 20 mm. If you want to change, you can enter the value here and click OK. You can increase or decrease length values by dragging. You can see here LM limit 1 and limit 2. By using these two limits, you can increase or uh, decrease the values of length. This length value is cannot exceed 1 million millimeters. Similarly, you can also increase the length in bottom side by using limit 2. This is the 5 mm preview. This is also 5 mm preview. Now click OK. You can see here in the pad definition type, it shows a number of options. First one is dimension, already I explained. Next one is up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Uh, Now I'm going to explain second one, that is up to next. For up to next, I want to take one example. I want to create one more plane. Already you know how to create planes in Catia before. Just you can choose this surface. You can get plane tool in the in these features. You can also see here view toolbars, reference elements. You can get plane tool in reference elements extended. Now click on plane. One plane is created 20 mm offset. You can also change the offset distance. Now I am entering 30 mm. Okay. Okay, on this plane I want to create one circle. To click sketch tool, I want to draw one circle on the new plane. Is the one circle. Exit from workbench. Now click on pad tool. Just click preview. In this case, uh, the pad is extruded up to 5 mm. For example, I want to extrude up to the existed part. So that's why I am choosing second option, up to next. Click preview. This option assumes an existing face can be used to trim the pad. The application previews the pad to be created. This you can see the created pad definition in the pod body, that is pad 1 and pad 2. This is the procedure for creating pad up to next. Now click on cancel. I want to next one I'm going to explain next one, creating up to last pads. For explaining third type, I want to create one more plane. I want to create one more plane on this other side. Choose this face and click plane. The offset distance is 30 mm. Click OK. On this plane, I want to draw one more sketch. Click sketch. Click fit all in. Now I am choosing center rectangle. exit from workbench. Now apply the pad. The length is 5 mm. Click OK. The pad is created. Now choose previous circle. Click pad tool. In this I am choosing up to last. Up already know up to next. Up to next means uh, the sketch is extrude up to next part. Up to last means the part is extruded up to last existed part. Just click preview. The part is extruded up to last part. Here offset distance also available. You can enter the offset distance. The part size also increased. Just click cancel, but cancel. The next type is up to plane. For explaining up to tail, I want to create one more plane on this uh, bottom side of part. Just click cancel. I am choosing this bottom surface and click plane. Okay. Now select a circle, click pad tool. Here I am choosing type is up to plane. First you can choose up to next, already know preview, up to last preview. Now I am choosing up to plane. Uh, Up to plane I am choosing this plane. Click preview. The circle is extruded uh, up to the plane. Here offset distance also available. You can enter the offset distance for increasing the circle extrude. For example, I want to enter 15 mm. Click. Enter 15 mm. Click preview. The extruded part is extrude after 15 mm after the whatever the plane is existed in the part. The last one is creating up to surface. Creating up to surface. Okay, I want to take one more plane on this side. Just click cancel. Otherwise, just you can keep it previous one. uh, Pad up to next, up to last, up to plane. Choose plane. Click OK. For next one I am choosing this side. Click plane. Just I am moving this plane to from this to this right to this middle position. Click OK. Now choose this plane. Click sketch tool. Now draw one 2D sketch. Now exit from this workbench. Click pad. Up to surface. Choose the surface. preview. Just you can click cancel. Okay, double click on this surface. I want to redraw again this 2D sketch. Delete. Now I'm taking circle, exit from workbench, extrude up to surface, click preview. Uh, the circle extruded up to the next surface. You can see here, this circle extruded up to the middle cylinder. You can see here, thickness option is also available. Just you can click thickness. You can give the thin pad. You can increase the thickness value 2 mm. Click preview. The thickness is also apply to the previous existed part. Now click OK. This is the brief discussion about pad and pad with different types, that is dimension up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. I hope this is very clear to everyone. You can see here, uh, in view toolbar, uh, isometric view is there. By using this option you can see the you can see the isometric view. You can also see the front view and back view and left side view, right side view. You can by using this option you can change the views. You can see the next one, shading. Shading also having sub options. First one is shading, second one is shading with edges. Next, third one, shading with edges without smooth edges. Next, shading with edges and hidden edges. You can see the hidden lines by using this option. Next one, shading with material. Next, last one, wireframe. In next class, in next video lecture, I'm going to explain drafted, fileted pad and multi-pad. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.